Hey everyone, and welcome back to Live Healthy Every Day. It's great to see you all again. Today, I'm super excited to share 5 really awesome exercises with you. If you really focus and stick with these, in just 4 weeks, you'll see a big change in your body and how you feel. And guess what? You don't need a fancy gym or a personal trainer for this. We're just going to use our own body weight, your own hard work, and the space you have right at home. So, go ahead and roll out your mat, grab some water, and hit that like button to let me know you're ready to go. Let's do this and build an even better you. Alright, first up, we have the plank exercise. This exercise is super awesome for building a rock-solid core. A strong core supports your whole body, improves your posture, and helps with back pain, you know. The plank works lots of muscle groups like your abs, obliques, side muscles, lower back, glutes, butt muscles, and shoulders. Start in a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms and make sure your elbows are right under your shoulders, okay? Make a straight line from your head to your heels and squeeze your tummy and butt muscles tight. Keep your breathing steady and controlled the whole time you're holding the plank. Try to hold the plank for about 30 seconds with really good form. As you get stronger, you can hold it for longer, okay? To make it harder, try a side plank or lift one leg up, see how that feels. With the plank, the most important thing is to keep at it. Do this exercise regularly, and you'll be surprised how quickly your core gets stronger. Really. Holding a plank also builds your willpower and focus too. Don't worry if your body starts to shake. Just focus on your form, and know that every second you hold it, you're building a stronger you. Remember, it's not just about getting physically stronger, it's also about building good habits that last. So, if you're ready to commit to yourself and start making a real change, then let's plank together. Let's build a stronger, more stable you, starting with the basics. Next on our list is the push-up. Push-ups are super effective for building strength and tone in your upper body and core. This exercise works your chest, shoulders, triceps, abs, and even your legs. Think of push-ups like a moving plank. They need strength, control, and coordination. Start with your hands a little wider than your shoulders, right under them. Stretch your legs out behind you, so your body is a straight line from your head to your heels. Squeeze your tummy muscles tight. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them pointing back a bit towards your body. Go down until your chest is close to the floor, then push yourself back up. Think about pushing the floor away from you. If a full push-up is too hard, you can do them on your knees or use something higher like a bench. When you get stronger, you can try diamond push-ups or decline push-ups. Doing each push-up well is more important than doing a lot of them. Push-ups build strength that helps you with everyday things. They're a great way to get strong, toned muscles. So, keep doing your push-ups regularly. Let's build a stronger and more capable upper body together. Next up, we're going to work on our lower body with squats. Squats are super important for building strong, toned legs and firm, powerful glutes. This exercise works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, core, hips, and lower back. Squats help improve your posture, balance, coordination, and even your metabolism. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly out. Push your hips back, bend your knees, and keep your chest up. Lower yourself down until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground. Push up through your heels and squeeze your glutes at the top. Start with bodyweight squats to get the form right first. As you get stronger, you can make it harder by adding dumbbells or resistance bands. Squats are a journey of constant improvement. Pay attention to your body and listen to its signals. Filming yourself while you exercise can help you check your technique. If you stick with it, squats will help you build a more resilient and stronger body. Let's build stronger, more beautiful legs and glutes together. Now, for a great exercise to make your core strong, keep your spine healthy, and help your posture, it's the bird dog. This move helps make the muscles that support your spine stronger, plus your glutes and shoulders. It's really good for fighting the bad effects of sitting too long. Start on all fours, with your hands right under your shoulders and your knees right under your hips. Keep your back straight and natural. Squeeze your tummy muscles. Then stretch your right arm forward and your left leg back. Keep your body steady. Don't let your back sag or twist. Hold it for a few seconds, then slowly go back to the start. Repeat on the other side. The bird dog makes your core steadier, helps you move better, and makes you more aware of your body. It works your back muscles, glutes, and shoulder muscles. Focus on slow and controlled movements. If you feel wobbly, slow down or make your movements smaller. As you get stronger, you can hold the position longer or add a little pulse. The bird dog builds strength from deep inside. Add this to your workouts to help your body be strong and balanced. Let's build a healthier spine and a stronger core together. Last but not least, we have the Glute Bridge. This exercise is great for waking up and strengthening your glute muscles. Strong glutes are really important for healthy hips, supporting your lower back, and making you better at sports. The Glute Bridge works your glutes. That's the big, medium, and small muscles in your butt, as well as your hamstrings and core. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and put your feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels to lift your hips up, and squeeze your glutes tight. Make a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold it for a few seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down with control. To make it harder, try a single-leg glute bridge or add a resistance band. The glute bridge helps improve your posture, reduce back pain, and makes you move better. Do this one regularly. Focus on good quality movement, and really feel your glutes working. Let's build stronger and more toned glutes together. Give your glutes the attention they deserve. Let's awaken that hidden power in your glutes. And there you have it, 5 awesome exercises that can change your body in just 4 weeks. The secret is to keep going, making sure you do them right and making time for yourself. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more workout tips. If you have any questions, or if you have a favorite exercise for beginners, drop a comment below. Stay strong, keep going, and live